Crossword Clues, a beginner's guide. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fun and interesting topic: crossword clues. Crosswords are not only a popular pastime but also a great tool for improving your English. So, let's unravel the mystery behind these clues and learn how they can boost your language skills. Crossword clues are hints or prompts in a crossword puzzle, designed to help you figure out the words that fit into the puzzle's squares. They can be straightforward definitions or involve wordplay, puns, and cultural references. Understanding them requires not just vocabulary skills but also a bit of clever thinking and cultural knowledge. 1. Direct clues. These are straightforward definitions of words. 2. Indirect clues. These include synonyms, antonyms, or a play on words. 3. Cryptic clues. These are more challenging, often involving anagrams or hidden meanings. Each type of clue helps you learn different aspects of the English language, from vocabulary to idioms, and even grammar. 1. Contextual guessing. Use the context provided in the clue to make educated guesses. 2. Cross-checking. Use the letters from intersecting words to narrow down possibilities. 3. Practice and patience. The more you practice, the better you get at understanding and solving these clues. Remember, it's not just about finding the right word, it's about understanding the clue's structure and intent. Vocabulary building. Crosswords expose you to new words and meanings. Spelling practice. They require precise spelling, enhancing your accuracy. Cultural knowledge. Many clues are based on common phrases, idioms, or cultural references, offering insight into English-speaking cultures. Cognitive skills. They improve memory, focus, and problem-solving skills. We hope this video has shed light on the intriguing world of crossword clues and how they can be a valuable tool in your English language learning journey. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll find yourself mastering these puzzles and enhancing your language skills. Happy puzzling, and see you in our next video.